Hi, in this video, Daniela Salazar, Sofia Gonzalez, Ana Fernanda Villarreal, and I, Stephanie Gomez, have joined in a team to explain and demonstrate the first Newton's law of motion, also known as or referred to as inertia. This law states that an object at rest stays at rest and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless attacked upon by an unbalanced force.
This simply means that things cannot start, stop, or change directions all by themselves. It requires some force acting on them from the outside to cause such a change. Another important concept that we need to know is inertia. Inertia is a property of massive bodies to resist changes in their state of motion.
First law of motion states that an object will remain at rest or in uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by an external force. So the mathematical formula to represent this law will be the sum of all the forces is equal to 0, because if you sum all the forces and it is equal to 0, then the body will be in equilibrium or with a constant velocity.
Some examples when we can see this law is, for example, a book lying on the table remains at rest as long as no net force acts on it. Another one, a moving object does not stop moving by itself. A rolling ball on a rough surface or ground stops earlier than on smooth surface because rough surfaces offer more friction than smooth surface.
I'm going to explain the first law of motion, how it is used by doing an example. And the example is, right now the ball is at rest. If I apply a force to move it, it is called unbalanced force. While it is moving, it is called object in motion. And what makes it stop to get back to rest again, it is called another unbalanced force, which is the friction it makes with the floor. And that is the example.